Hey lifestylers! Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Yoli and you're watching Lifestyle with Yoli. So guys, it's been a minute. Your girl not really coming in the kitchen come cook nothing. But it's my mama birthday guys, so I am gonna be making dinner for her. So for anyone that's watching, even though this video might come out, I go come out late. It's not a might. It's gonna come out late. I want you guys just to spam the comment section and wish my mom a happy birthday. So guys, my tripod is broken. Some of us catch it up. For my Canadians, I just fixed it away where it will, so I'm have to be careful on the movie. So anyways guys, I'm gonna make oxtail. So guys, I normally make oxtail or goat in this pot here. So I don't know how you guys do it, but for me, I I put a little oil in the pot, make it hot, make the oxtail fry a little, catch its color, and start making its own gravy or its own sauce. And then I start to add little bits of water, until, yes, make it just one. But I like when it brown, you fry a little and brown before I throw the water. Some people just throw it in the pot, throw the water, but I don't like it that way. So, but anyways, don't worry. Your girl, I will show you guys how it's done. So I hope, I can finish this process with you guys. Guys, I'm not feel 100, eh? I'm not feeling 100. My throat has been giving me some issue, like when I catch a little something, a little bug. But so my body is a bit achy. But anyways guys, life goes on. Make a show on how to cook oxtail. Alright, let me show you guys my oxtail that I seasoned up. So I went ahead guys and seasoned up my oxtail. So see here, oxtail fully seasoned. Let me show you guys. Oxtail is fully seasoned. So here's the pot guys. The pot is hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a little oil, not a lot, okay? So guys, so yeah, this is a good amount, not too much. Yeah, I think I'll add a little bit more. Yeah, so I'm gonna let I'm gonna let it hot some more, and then I put the oxtail in and cover it, let it fry and brown, yeah. The oxtail over there. Okay. That's just a good pot beginning. I think the meat is as much as the but yeah. So guys, I'll be adding the oxtail in the pot. You see, I don't want the aromatics guys in it right now, so I'm gonna just be taking out the oxtail. But the garlic guys, I'll be putting the garlic in, but for the onion and scallion and so forth, I'm not gonna put it in right now. But trust the process guys, your girl know what she's doing. Let me know how many of you guys cook your oxtail like this guys, because there's many ways of cooking oxtail, but I'm sure it come out delicious same way. the guy cut the oxtail a bit small. I don't like when my oxtail cut this small, now, guys. I like when my oxtail, you know,
Wait, what guy cut it?
at the market. But I like my oxtail a little like round, like a little more thick. You know, like my oxtail, like you have to fight to get the meat off the bone. Like I like when it's thick. So when you get a piece in your plate, you say, this is oxtail. Oh, we don't need to drive to get the cake to mommy at the same place we went yesterday.
What did you do yesterday?
14 hours.
Huh?
14 hours. So guys, I'll show you when I put these in, okay? Get rid of my gloves. So guys, this is the browning process. So I'm gonna close the pot, guys, and let it, you know, fry up and get its own color. Okay, guys, this is what's going on. Whoops, sorry. So guys, it's making its own. You see, this is what I was talking about. See, to make your own, what, you know, sauce. And this is just the beginning. I'm gonna give it a stir, guys. I can stir it with the phone in my hands, but I'm just showing you guys. So I'm gonna let this process continue. Oh, so this is the oxtail. So see, guys, it's making, literally, see? It can make its own sauce, guys. So in a little bit now, like in a couple minutes, I'm gonna throw those stuff in. I'm gonna throw this in, and you know, let it go and cook for like, you know, maybe an hour, and then re-season the pot. I'll show you guys what I do, okay? So I'm gonna add that into this shortly. So this, guys, is the oil for the fish. So that's the oil, and I put garlic and pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, in the hot oil. And then here is the fish, red snapper on the menu, guys. So I'll be doing red snapper. I seasoned it this morning, and yeah, so I'm gonna start the process now, guys. April, where are you? I need you. So guys, I'm gonna put the fish now in the oil. I'm no professional, guys. So let's go. All right, guys, let's cook this fish. One bad. So guys, I'm gonna add this now, all the aromatics in the pot. But guys, here's something. I'm still gonna cut up more onions and stuff at the end because oxtail take a while to cook. So I'm still gonna add more. This is just to cook the meat because the meat is very hard. So I'm gonna get some water and come and pour in here. You guys can see, pour this water. Some people put a lot, guys, but I add the water as I go. I don't like to put too much at a time, right? So I'm gonna let this, you know, cook. Yeah, and I'll show you guys as I go along. All right. I switched burners because this burner over here that I had the fish on, it's a bit, you know, sometimes it go up, down. I can't deal with that with the fish. So The fish not gonna take long to fry. It's just 6 fish. So afterwards I'll put back the oxtail over here. I'm finished frying the fish. So I'm gonna make the what do you call it? I don't even remember what the sauce is called, guys, but I'm gonna work on that now. Here's the finishing product. I'm gonna make the pickled, what do they call it? They call it pickled vegetable for the fish. So this is onion, carrots, and scotch bonnet pepper and pimento. So over here I have the oil. Kids are giving me trouble, guys, so the oil overheats a little too much, so I took it off the burner, waiting for it to cool down. Oxtail still a gone, and that's the fish, guys. So guys, I went ahead and I put the onion, the pepper, and carrots in the oil. So I'm gonna let this cook on low for a little bit before I add the vinegar in it, okay? But I will share the process with y'all. I'm finished with the fish. This is the finished product. That is that. Hope it tastes as good as it looks. Yep. The oxtail is pretty much cooked. I'm re-seasoning the pot now, guys. So I'm gonna add some onion, scallion thyme, pimento, and a scotch bonnet pepper and re-season the pot, okay? All right, guys, I use my hand, so I'm gonna put them in and then give you an update, okay? So guys, I went ahead and I put my onion, my scallion, you know the whole works. I'm gonna just stir it down in all the gravy, all right? I'm gonna let this cook down now. I think I'm gonna add, guys, a little meat sauce. I'm gonna add a little of this in it, and then let me show you what I'm gonna add. Guys, I'm gonna add two of this. What is it called? Broad bean, butter bean. What is it called? Butter bean, guys. Yeah, but what is it called? Guys, I'm gonna add two. Yeah, guys, it's been a while. I'm gonna add 2 butter bean after, okay? So there, guys. Stirring down. It's bubbling down, okay? And I didn't show you guys the mac and cheese, guys. There's the mac and cheese. Woo! It's macking away. The beans are in. I'm gonna let this boil for 10 minutes. Then that's that. Then I have the potato over here that's done. So dinner done, guys, and the fish over here. Gonna run out and grab a cake. Yes, I almost burnt up my mac and cheese pie. Obi had to remind me that it was in the oven. So it's a little overly done, but it's still good. The little one, yeah, did I start burn, but the kids are gonna lick. Yeah, so I'm pretty much done. Gonna run out and come back. It's finished. Mashed potato, paper plate, there. Paper please. Dinner is finished, guys. Oxtail done. Mac and cheese, guys, it's that touch. I'm not telling you, come and forget about it. And the fish. Who's gonna eat fish? Akon, are you gonna eat fish now? Or later? Okay. Akon. No? Go for your cheer up. Okay. I'm gonna share, guys. the birthday girl plates, eh?
I like that.
Birthday girl plate look healthy.
I like
Start eating now?
Yeah. Pray. Bless the.
that.
You can bless the
No,
food.
I'm not doing it on camera. What do you like? What?
What thing? It's mac and cheese. It's mac and cheese, Mama. You love it. It's your favorite.
Taste it? Like,
It's your favorite.
yeah.
Promise, it's your favorite. Try it.
Taste it. Oh.
I have a chocolate for you.
Chocolate.
Chocolate cake. Grandma has a chocolate birthday cake.
Wow.
Yep,
We're
hurry
gonna
up.
cut it together. Ah. We're gonna cut it together.
Oh, the mac and cheese taste like, man?
A little bit.
Hmm?
A little bit.
It good?
Mm-hmm.
And let's promise you your cheese.
Don't blow
One,
Move it quick, not here.
2,
Hurry up. You can't be moving that slow.
it burns!
Oh.
What?
5,
Leave them down. Come on, that's it.
I am blessed. Blaze!
Here, put down.
Watch out, watch out.
Let me turn.
But I'm in the candle that dropped in the air.
Make the one there.
Hurry up. Ready? Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. 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 Are you 10? Are you 20? Are you 30? Are you 40? Are you 50? Are you 60? Are you 61? Are you 62? Hey! 63? Hey! 64? Are you 66? Are you 67? Make a wish! Blow! 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 Woo! Yay! So we're gonna cut the cake, Mama.
Wait.
We're gonna cut the cake. Let's take out the candles.
Wait.
Why does it say mom? Why does it say mom?
Cause she's your grandma, but
She's our
When
mom.
you burn you?
it's hot.
When you burn a baby?
We and dad say mom. We don't say grandma.
Take off this for cut it out. Hey, that's a cut that with it.
Put it
We'll
up. Like
eat
just
it.
do this. Like
Just put it
on the side.
Eat it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, when you're cutting, you're gonna say a prayer in your head. Make a not a wish this time. You're gonna tell God what you want. So put the thing in the middle, mommy.
Promise.
Wait, promise, yeah.
We promise.
Okay, all right. So make your prayer, not a wish. We don't believe in wish.
Prayer and declaration.
Shan, yeah. You're done.
Yeah.
Okay, cut. Woo! I don't- Money, you should have stayed over here. You're not ready for the camera. Oh, God.
That first piece is for grandma and promise, not money. He's sitting there waiting for it.
Yeah. Come, promise. Where are you going? Open this door, Manny. It's the kids' last day. Manny, you have to open the front door first. So, guys, welcome to another vlog. Today is the last day at school for the kids. Excuse me, Manny.
Mama saw you.
You go like.
Mama saw
Okay,
you.
yeah.
Yay.
Okay, come, go. Go in, Mama. Today is the last day of school. Go over, baby.
You can't.
Right over.
You can't.
Okay, you go over the other side, Marnie.
Don't put it there.
Okay, no, it's okay, Marnie. Close the door. Last day of school for everybody. Nobody see you, Aquan. Like, you're not in this mix. Guys, so, yeah, we're dropping the kids off to school today. Aquan has our early morning. Where did I put the sea moss?
Don't tell me you left.
I left it. I have to come back for it.
How am I supposed to turn around?
Not now, after we drop the kids, they're late. Yes, guys, Aquan has our early morning run to do. So we're gonna drop the kids at school and then we head on the road. Last day at school for the chipmunks. Anyway, guys, let me focus on the road. This kid is driving, so I'm gonna focus. All right, I'll check back in with you guys. So, guys, it's Canada. Say hi. Say hi, lifestylers. Yeah. So, guys, it's July 1st, and it's Canada Day in Canada. For my American subscribers, you guys have July 4th. We have July 1st, which is Canada Day. So, we didn't do much over the weekend, guys, because it was raining and it was cool. So today we're going to Bayfront in Hamilton to watch the fireworks and to eat some ice cream. Yeah, it's been a while since we've gone to see the fireworks. Not sure. Yeah, I think we got Aquan over here, guys. Promise made sure that's it beside her. We have Aquan with us in the flat.
Why are you saying it like I've never with you people?
Yes, guys, so we're going to the Bayfront. It's like about 35 minutes from my house. Yeah, so we're going to, they said that fireworks is at 10 o'clock. So by the time we park, eat ice cream, and walk there, we're hope we get a good parking. Yeah, it should be 10 o'clock for us to catch the fireworks. So as per usual thing, you know, I'm gonna take you guys with me for sure. Right? Guys, my head is hurting, but Promise and Kamani never did I go let we up on this one. So come on for the ride with us, alright? Oh, cheese. It's fine. Say hi to the lifestyle. What? Are you gonna disrespect me like that? Huh? We're at a cheese in downtown Hamilton, and it's full, and my head is killing me. I have such a horrible headache. What are you eating?
Ice cream.
What kind of ice cream?
Cookies and cream.
Huh?
Cookies and cream.
Babe, your ice cream good? Hold it. Pram. Ah, gee. Bigger one cup. Let that drip on it. Big. Guys, I'm missing the fireworks.
Look.
Ice cream at McCoy. What?
Tasty? Tasty mango? No, not so much.
Oh. McCoy?
Oh.
They got us mixed up. Ask for the small.
That's 2 scoop I ordered for you. Come on.
Now, his was supposed to be this. Mine was supposed to be that.
Pat, please can you make your way to the ice cream window? Pat?
Go. Promise it? You promise it? Here.
Yeah, fireworks.
Food ice cream up a bush, nice.
Yeah, better. So you say Simon.
You promise it? Promise it?
I don't know.
It's fireworks, Mama. Canada Day fireworks. All over. After the I come down for country, catch you. What? Yeah.
Oh my god. Where you need that right there?
Yeah, I'm cool.
Look, another one. Another one.
Guys, my family, they're such party pooper. Them know some content creator, them I worry about the light and who watch us.
Come out here before you place
Babe, I can't come out. I can't back out. There's somebody behind us. Like, we can't move. Guys, so this concludes our little Canada Day outing. Yeah, we didn't do much, but yeah, the kids enjoyed themselves. We're heading home now, so see ya.